fans, it is another beautiful day as I welcome you to Menalights TV. As we have started with statistics, today our lesson is going to be based on histogram. So we are going to look at how to draw a histogram, use the histogram to find the mode. So that's what we are going to look at today. Stay tuned as we learn this together. So for us to draw the histogram, we have a question here that says, the data below shows the number of minutes some patients spent at a certain hospital on a given day. So we have 56, 47, 50, 37, 37, 42, 54, 46, and then the last one we have here is what? 51. Then you have to use this to draw a frequency distribution table. Then using the interval 31 is to 31 to 50, 35, 36 to 40, etc. Then after that, you have to draw a histogram. Then find the mode using the histogram. Then after that, you find the median class using the histogram. So this is our frequency distribution table. So the minutes, tally, frequency, and then the class boundaries. So when you look at this, we have the minutes from 31 to 35, and then the 56 to 60. So the first number we have there is 56. So the 56 is here. Then followed by 42, and the 42 is here. Then we have the 33 is between 31 to 35. 32 is also here. 60 is here. 53, so the 53 is here. Then we have 47. So our 47 is here. 54, we have it here. 39 is between 36 to 40. Then we also have 51, which is from 51 to 55. Then you have 48, so 48 is here, 31, and our 31 is here as well. Then from there you have 50, 50 is here, then 46 is here, 35, so we can locate the 35 here. Then from there we have 42, and the 42 is here, 53, so the 53 is between 51 to 55, so the 53 is here. Then 55. So since this one is the fifth one, we use to what? To cross it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth one we use to what? To cross it. Then after 55, I have 37, and our 37 is here. Then 49. Our 49 is between 46 to 50. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth one we use to what? To cross it as well. Then we have 60, and the 60 is here. 31. The fifth one we use to cross it. After 31, I have 51, which is here. Then 47, we have the 47 here. 37 is here. 31, we have it here. 58, between 56 to 60, so the 58 is here as well. Then we have our 49, which is here. 34, so 34 is also here. Then the last one, 51, so the 51 is here. So when you look at this, from 31 to 35 we have 7, so you put a 7 here. Then from 36 to 40 we have 3, so the 3 is here. Then 41 to 45 we have 2, so we have our 2 here as well. Then 46 to 50, that is 7, we have a 7 there. And then from here to that is 7, we have it there as well. Then 56 to 60, we have 4. So you have the first question says you have to draw a frequency table. So from the minute, tally, and the frequency, that is the frequency table. The reason why I added the class boundary is because we are going to use the class boundary to draw our histogram. You have to find the median class. So for us to find the median class, first we have to know the total here. So that's the 7 plus 3 plus 2 plus 7 plus 7 plus 4. All is going to give us 30. So you know that the total here is what? Is 30. So for us to find the median class, then we have the n over 2 plus 1 position. So n over 2 plus 1 position. And this n represents what? The total frequency that you have here. So the total frequency here is what? Is 30. So you have the 30 divided by 2 plus 1. So 30 divided by 2 will give us 15. 15 plus 1 will give us what? 16. So the 16th position. So the 16th position will be what? Our median class. We add 7 plus 3 will give us 10. 10 plus 2 will give us 12. So which is all yet up to 16. Then that means our 16 here. So 12 plus 7 will give us what? 19. So our 16th position is here. Which means that the median class fall within what? 46 to 50. So therefore, our median class is 46 to 50. So this is the lower class limit and this is the upper class limit. So what we have to do is you deduct 0.5 from here, half from here, and add it to this. So this becomes, when you deduct half from 31, it becomes 30.5 to, then we add a half to the 35. So that one becomes 35.5. So we are deducting 0.5 from the lower class limit and add it to the upper class limit. So we come to the 36, the same way you deduct what? 0.5 becomes what? 35.5 to, so this is 40, it becomes 40.5. So the next one, 41, we take half from there. So 40.5 to, then we add a half to this, becomes 45.5. So the next one will be from 46, we now have what? 45.5 to 50.5. So the next one, the same 50.5 to 55.5. And then the last but not the least, 55.5 to 60.5. So now that we have this, we are going to use the class boundary and the frequency to draw our histogram. Now the difference between the histogram and the bar chart is that the histogram, the bars are close to each other or they are joined to each other. But for the bar chart, the bars are not joined to each other. So when you look at this one, the class boundary 30.5 to 35.5 is having a frequency of what? 7. So we are starting from here. So we have our first bar. So the lower class limit, that is the 30.5 here, and the upper is 35.5. Then the second one, we come to the class boundary 35.5 to 40.5 is having a frequency of 3. So because of that, we draw up to where we have our 3. So the bars are joined to each other. So from 35.5 to 40.5. So here we have our 40.5 here. Then from there, from 40.5 to 45.5 is having a frequency of 2. So the same way you draw it. So we have it 40.5 to 45.5. So here we have our 45.5 here. Then we move to the next one, which is the class boundary 45.5 to 50.5 is having the frequency of 7. So the same way we get our 7. So as we're done with this one, the upper class boundary or the upper class limit is 50.5. So you have write it here 50.5 as well. Then move to the next one, the 50.5 to 55.5, and that is 7. So the same way you have the 7 there. So you have a 55.5 there. So the next one is 55.5 to 60.5. We have 4. So you send it to where we can locate 4. So we have our 60.5 there. So when you look at this, the bars are joined to each other. The bars are joined to each other. Then the size of the bars must be what? The same. So this is what the question required of us. But in order to get the mode, we are going to adjust this bar so that we can use it to what? To estimate our mode. So we are going to extend this beyond 7. Let's make it 8. So we have extended it to 8. Now for us to estimate the mode, what we have to do is we are going to join from here. First, we locate the tallest bar or the tallest bar on the histogram. So our tallest bar is this one. So what we have to do is we are going to join from this diagonal to this one and join from here to this one as well. So this is how it will go. We join to this side and then join this one to as well. Then after that, you have to locate the point of the intersection of what? These two. So after locating it, you trace it to the down to locate what? The actual mode. And then draw from the down, from the top to the down. With short dashed lines. Then we have our value here, and this value becomes what? Our mode. 1.1 or 51. So that 51.1 or 51 is the mode. So that is the mode there, the 51.1 or 51. And mind you, this is our class boundaries. And this was our frequency. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Remember to subscribe to this channel, Menalights TV, for more updates.